Yeah. Lights on. That is street racing culture, night city lights. Confidence and balance. This is street fashion flows. Neon signs on my jacket glow. Concrete runway, watch me go. Every step tell a story loud. City beat, hear the crowd. Laced up kicks, attitude clean. Oversized fit, magazine dream. From the block to the front row seat. Street born style, can't be beat. Mirror glass, see the flame. Different fit, never same. We don't chase, we create. Street fashion, elevate. Walk it, rock it, own that street. Rip so hard, feel the heat. From the night to the daylight glow. This is street fashion flow. Pose flash, let them know. Every move is a show. No rules, just how we grow. This is street fashion flow. Cargo pants, vintage tee. Old school vibe, new energy. Graffiti walls, colors loud. Style speak without a sound. Mix that high with the low and fit. Luxury drip with a rebel twist. Every look, breaking every code. Trendsetters, we run the road. Eyes on us, feel the stare. Confidence in what we wear. Not a brand, it's a soul. Street fashion in control. Walk it, rock it, own that street. Drip so hard, feel the heat. From the night to the daylight glow. This is street fashion flow. Pose flash, let them know. Every move is a show. No rules, just how we grow. This is street fashion flow. Flow, 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 From back alleys to fashion week, every culture, every beat. Real one shine, no need to pose. Street style louder than words we chose. Walk it, rock it, feel that zone. City lights, we in our own. Every step got attitude glow. This is street fashion flow. Cameras roll, let it show. This the vibe, this the code. Street to the world, head to toe. This is street fashion flow. Yeah. Fashion flow on the street. Style don't sleep.